People say money can't buy everything, and that's true. But when you've got it, you can solve a lot of frustrations. Bills stop being worries, dreams become plans, and opportunities start showing up at your door. Elon Musk once said, "Being broke is temporary, but being poor is a mindset." That hit deep because it means you're not stuck. You just need direction, courage, and the right team. Elon started small, coding all night, sleeping in his office, and eating cheap meals. He sold his first startup for a few $1,000s, reinvested it, and built PayPal, Tesla, and SpaceX. He didn't start rich. He started with belief and consistency. That's exactly what we believe in here at SweetMelodies Hustle Team, a place where your hustle gets noticed, your ideas get sharpened, and your pockets get prepared. Now, let's talk about one simple way to start earning online: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's product and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. Step 1. Pick a topic you love, like technology, beauty, or digital skills. Step 2. Join affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact. Step 3. Create helpful content, reviews, tutorials, or product comparisons. Step 4. Share your affiliate link in your video description or even on your WhatsApp status. Step 5. Be consistent, stay honest, and keep improving. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. So subscribe to SweetMelodies Hustle Team today. Learn new skills, grow your hustle, and turn your ideas into income. SweetMelodies Hustle Team, turning ideas into income.